Yo, what's up guys, Serge here. In this video, I'm actually going to talk about 5 proven strategies of how you guys can actually get started with affiliate marketing. And these strategies, you guys actually do not have to spend any money whatsoever. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload the next video. Without no further ado, let's get started. So the first strategy is actually going through the YouTube route. It doesn't matter is it physical or digital, you guys could do it this way, okay? With digital products, people usually go with the how-to because digital products are more like tools for like your email marketing. Your like people go to how to build a website. Bluehost and HostGator are actually pretty good competitors on the how to build your website niche. With that, those digital products, you guys can actually learn how to build a website and show people building a website, and then put an affiliate link down below on your description. Or if you guys can actually do the physical products, for example, you guys can actually review products, where most of the people, when they do physical products, they actually do review products like headphones, Bluetooth speakers, game systems, whatever that you guys can actually think of. Whatever is a physical product, they usually do it as a review video. So that's one of the ways that you guys can actually start making money through YouTube and using affiliate marketing to actually help you start growing. And the best part about this is that you guys can actually start at 0 subscribers to actually help you guys continue growing, and you guys could even start making money when you guys even have 0 subscribers, because people could just click on your link. YouTube is actually one of the best ones that a lot of people actually use that will help you make money using affiliate marketing. The next one is actually Pinterest. A lot of people do Pinterest, and it's pretty easy to actually get started with Pinterest. You guys don't even have to show your face if you guys want to just stay out of the spotlight, and you guys could just start promoting them that way. So Pinterest is an easy way to actually help you guys get started. So what a lot of people do, and what I done in the past with previous Pinterest accounts that you guys can actually do, is actually post Pinterest videos. Okay, you guys could easily just go to TikTok and download some videos that has to do with the products or whatever. For example, you see a product that you guys like, just look it up on TikTok, and you guys can actually find a videos that somebody's talking about, and then all you gotta do is post it on Pinterest. Or you guys could post pictures about the product, really catchy images that you guys can actually use for your Pinterest account, and actually just put your affiliate link where they put links here. And all you guys gotta do, keep doing this daily post about Pinterest. Is actually a pretty good thing, especially if you have a website that you guys want to promote. You guys could actually put it on Pinterest too, because it's actually a pretty good traffic source. And I still use Pinterest to this day with my actual personal account to actually drive traffic to any of my affiliate links, any of my social media accounts. It's actually pretty good traffic source. We're going on with TikTok. Okay, TikTok just released a new feature that you guys can actually get started with. I've seen a lot of creators started doing this just once they hit a certain amount of followers. I don't know if it's 5,000 or 10,000. I'll leave it right here just for you guys, so you guys could know how many followers you guys need to do. Yes, you guys do need to post consistently to reach your following mark, so you guys could actually start doing it this way. So you could just post your links on your video, and it actually gets you a lot of traffic. So what a lot of people do is actually just basically what they do on YouTube, but on TikTok. With TikTok, it's been booming, and you guys can actually get a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. But this time it's just through TikTok's products. You guys cannot put any links on a specific product that you guys like out of TikTok. It has to be in the TikTok shops for you guys to actually start promoting that product. A lot of people be making money like that, and it's actually a pretty good income source for you guys to start making that money. Or if you guys don't want to reach that follower account that you guys want to, but you want to still be making money until you reach that account, what you guys need to do is at least grind up to 1,000 followers. And then after you get that 1,000 followers, you guys can actually put a link in your bio. So once you do that, you could send them to your YouTube channel or that affiliate product that you guys are trying to promote. But that one, you do need 1,000 followers. So my suggestion is just keep grinding to reach those 1,000 followers, because once you start reaching that 1,000 followers, it could just be a snowball effect and get you guys rolling, so you guys could get more followers, and you guys could go on that program that TikTok has for affiliates. Okay. The fourth one is pretty easy, but you guys do have to put in a lot of work, which is actually creating a course. All right. Creating a course is pretty simple. All you guys gotta do is actually just create a course, post it on Udemy, or actually just promote it with TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatsoever. Any way that you guys could promote this course, so you guys could put your affiliate links there. Like for example, I have a free course that I promote, but I do have affiliate links within that course. Okay, so you guys could put any digital products. For example, you guys could create a digital product just strictly for email marketing. For example, GetResponse is a software that I use that has an affiliate program that you guys can actually just learn how to use GetResponse and just create a course on that GetResponse. You guys could create a course and put it on Udemy, or actually create it on a landing page, like for example system.io. It's completely free for you guys to get started. If you guys want to actually get started with that, the link would be down below. But yeah, you guys could create a course, a free course that you guys will promote affiliate links in that. If you guys want to see an example of how I actually did it, the course will be down below. All you got to do is sign up for the free course, and you guys could see how I did it. I actually teamed up with one of my mentors to actually provide you with that value. All you got to do is creating a course about anything that you guys are knowledgeable, that that people need help with, that is in a high demand, that you guys can actually succeed with promoting this course. If you see that it's in a high demand, all you gotta do is record videos, create that course, and you guys could create ebooks, okay, that will actually put your affiliate links there, whatever products that you guys are promoting or whatever you guys are teaching them, and help them achieve that with specific tools. Okay, and the other one is actually what a lot of affiliates actually do. They actually combine this with all the ones that I've actually named, is actually email marketing. The gurus out there that you see make their big bucks is through email marketing. Email marketing is a huge way for you guys to actually promote different products that you guys want, different products that your consumers might enjoy and might help them whatever they're trying to do. And the best part about email marketing is that you guys actually own those consumers, because all you gotta do is click a button to send an email, and people will receive them through their emails that they gave you. If you're running low on funds, all you gotta do is create an email and send it, and people will click through your affiliate link, and all you gotta do is cash out. That's actually what a lot of gurus do to make the big bucks. Without email marketing, you guys are actually shooting yourself in the foot, because let's say you just strictly stick with YouTube, you strictly stick with TikTok, you strictly stick with Pinterest, but all of a sudden they just close your account. With email marketing, no one is able to close those emails unless the actual individual closes their email account. So you own those emails. No one is above you. No one can tell you what to do. You don't have a limitation unless they unsubscribe out of your email, and that's it. But the best way to actually grow your email list is actually by promoting yourself through TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, so forth and so forth. Okay, here's an example. You guys create the course. All right, cool. Once they sign up for that course, that email that they sign up with goes directly through your email list, and then after that, you guys can actually promote other products to them directly. If they want to buy, all they got to do is click through your link. After when they buy, you get paid. Simple as that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys do want my free course with my mentor and I helping you guys, all you got to do is click the link down below so you guys could sign up, and it's completely free. No BS, no fluff. All you gotta do is put your email in there, and that's it. It takes you through A through Z, so you guys could know how to get started with affiliate marketing. Okay. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload the next video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.